guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Betty, and on today's video I am going to show you how to make a delicious garlic paste. Now if you saw my previous video, you will see that I made a sofrito. Now I keep these two on my refrigerator, the whole entire time, because I feel that sofrito and the garlic paste is very important to have, especially if you don't want to chop so many herbs and seasonings. Like, I think that this will be a very nice thing to do or to have, and it's very easy. Once you make chicken and you just want to add a little bit of sofrito and garlic paste, you are good to go. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you love this type of content, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and also leave a comment down below to see where you are watching me from. So, to make the garlic paste is very simple. You only need garlic, oil, vinegar, and salt. That is it. And I know some of you will say, Betty, well, don't the garlic get like greenish after like it's old garlic? Well, I have a little trick to make the garlic paste longer in the jar and it will not get green. If you follow the steps that I'm about to give you, you are not gonna have green garlic, okay? So, now, without further ado, let's get started, okay? Come on.
Okay, so we are going to start with these 4 packs of garlic. This amount will give me about 2 cups. You can also have the choice of buying the garlic already peeled. I like to buy mine fresh, and I think the taste is better. And but like I said, it's up to you. So here we're gonna get the garlic, get them peeled, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now that we have the garlic already peeled, we are going to get our food processor, or in this case I'm using a blender. Now for this, you're gonna need 2 cups of garlic. Of course, you're gonna need the 2 cups of oil, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. If you didn't know, the garlic, after you peel it, is going to turn green after 2 or 3 days. To prevent this from happening, what we're doing is we're adding the 2 cups of oil and the cup of vinegar. This is going to prevent the mixture to turn green, and it's gonna last longer in your refrigerator for at least, I could say, 2 to 3 weeks. And there it is, guys. This is how it comes out at the end. All you have to do is put your garlic, your oil, your vinegar, your salt, and just blend it. This paste, guys, is perfect for chickens, for beef, for pork, for even if you're going to make dips. I'm telling you, this is the best. And the best thing is that it's in your refrigerator. You don't need to peel no more garlic. Everything is there. Just a little bit of this on your food and you'll thank me later. And that's it, guys. This is how you make garlic paste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will bring more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.